All right, so I'm gonna make some cheese here. Now what I got is I got just a teensy beans bit less than a quarter cup of vinegar, white vinegar. That should be about 40 milliliters. And I got some cheap milk, but any whole milk. It's got to be whole milk. Don't get anything that says percent there. And some salt, you know. We're going to use a teaspoon of salt, 40 milliliters of vinegar, and some whole milk. And I'm going to pour it in here. And I'm using one of these. I'm going to bring it up to 200 degrees. Now over here, I'm going to put some cheesecloth on top of this. You don't have to go this far, but just this would be fine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the milk over here. You see? I'm going to put that there. Put a nice amount of this cheesecloth on top because, well, actually right there is fine because it's not going to go in. Now, if you were to put this on this alone, then this thing would probably just sink in with the cheese. So let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to turn this thing up. So it's going. And I put it on 6. This is a gas stove. I'm going to watch it anyway. But anyway, we're going to pour the quart of milk. I think it's a quart. I believe these come in quarts. Boy, oh boy. Come on. Come on. Don't go too far now. Yeesh. Hey. Boy, they loaded this sucker up. Oh boy. I hope we don't have a problem. Probably not. Yikes. I guess I'll drink that. Boy, oh boy. That's kind of weird. I think this thing has more. It says half gallon. So let's get it, look, it's not even close. See that? 72 degrees. We're going to get it to 200. Hopefully I don't have a problem, but I guess I'm going to have to clean up. Hopefully not. So let's get it up to 200 degrees, and then I'm going to put in the 40 milliliters of vinegar. And I need to stir it, so let's get us a nice spoon here. Call this a spoon. It's got the nice holes in there so I can stir it. I'm gonna might have to go slow. I didn't realize it was gonna get this much in there. I needed a bigger one. What did I do last time? Jeez, man, I wonder if I should do it in reverse here. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to have to. I think I'm going to move this and put it in the big one. See if I can do this. Man, I hope I can do this without making a mess here. Oh boy. Don't make a mess now. Yeah, I need a bigger one than this. Of course, I'll use this. I wish I had another one of these. Occasionally do some little bit of stirring here. You don't want that to cause problems and, stick to the bottom. So kind of mix it in once in a while like this. we're at 165, so it's getting real close now. Keep stirring it. Getting real close now. Yeah, it's beginning to spoon. I mean, to spoon, to bubble. Not bubble, but make air. See that? 194. See? So, see, the bottom is getting obviously hotter, so you gotta mix it, you know? You gotta mix it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. All right, so now we're at 200. Okay, so we're gonna start putting in the vinegar here. Okay, the 40 milliliters, and just keep stirring it. Don't stop. Don't stop the stirring. Okay. Just keep stirring it. See? Look. See? Just keep stirring it. I'm going to have to get this over there. See? Just keep stirring it. Don't let it sit. I can feel it heavy now. See? In fact, I'm going to turn the heat off at all. And then just stir it. Just stir it like that. See that? I think we're going to pour it. Let me get something to pour it over there. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it over here like this, just to get some of the water out, so I can put it back over here like that. See? And I'm going to take this like that, and I'm going to pour let's see if I can get all of it on this pour here. Like that. Oops. Watch it. Watch it. All right. Now, I gotta go like this. See? Hello. Come here. I gotta go like this. And let it drip out. And then guess what? That's cheese. See that? And right now it's really hot. So I wish I had some gloves. You know? Just let it pour out like that, see? I wish I could squeeze it, but let it drip out like that. wish it was cooler. Okay, now I need to add a teaspoon of salt and mix it. Now, you might have to wait, you know. I wish I had a way to twist this. Maybe I do. If I could twist it. I don't have any gloves. You know, I could have left it a little bit longer. You know, but there's the cheese right there. Let me get a plate here. I wish I had something to squeeze it more. Oh boy, it got stuck in there. Doggone it. Come on, thing. Should be cooling. It should be cooling. If that came out of a quart, see that? See, the more you squeeze it, it gets, see how that water's coming out? Well, that's the trick. See, look at that. I wish I had some gloves. I had to really squeeze all of it out. Whew. Let me do something. That is your cheese right there. There. See? See that? Now, what you need to do, there's your cheese right there. See? Add some salt to taste. Now, there you go. How about that?